And just seconds from now, you're going to think to yourself that this portion of video at the beginning looks way better than what you're watching a little further in. And here's the reason why. I've got the Canon EOS M50 Video Creator Kit. I'm going to open it up and we are going to explore the contents. And this little section of video was shot with it after I unboxed. Welcome to my channel. I'm just a regular guy doing real reviews of stuff that I have and I want to share with you. If you're new here, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring the bell and give this video a thumbs up because it really does help me a lot. YouTube will know that you like the video and show it to more people, and that helps me more than you can know. So let's just jump right into this thing. We're going to open it up, see what's inside. Okay, first thing inside the box is we've got a SanDisk Ultra 32 gigabyte SDHC UHS-1 card, up to 90 megabits per second. So there is that. Looks like they kind of just threw that in the top. And here is how they've kind of bundled this. We've got the camera and the microphone, which this kit comes with, of course, the EOS M50, and also comes with the Rode Videomic Go. And this is a mic that has no batteries inside, so you don't have to worry about keeping the batteries powered. It's powered off the camera, and it doesn't have any settings. It's just plug, run and gun. Plug it in to your external mic port on whatever recording device you have. This one, let's start with the Videomic Go. Nice little plastic coverings. So here we go. Here's the mic. First impression on this thing is the shock mount is actually pretty good. It wiggles around real nice. I like it. The back end of the mic, there's some debris on there, but that's it. Got the shoe mount, cold shoe, mounts to a hot or cold shoe. And here we've got the TRS cable. Nice and springy, not too long, not too short. And of course, a little instruction get started booklet. And now for the Big Daddy. Box says 24.1 megapixel CMOS, TTL 25.8, dual pixel autofocus, APS-C, 100% viewfinder approximately, vari-angle LCD, Wi-Fi and NFC and Bluetooth. That's cool. I didn't even know it had Wi-Fi and NFC and Bluetooth in it. So I've been shooting with the Canon 6D, the first version. Came out in about 2012, I think, somewhere around there. And doesn't have autofocus while you're doing video, so that's why I need to upgrade to this. 6D does great video, just can't do autofocus. The neck strap, this is a really skinny neck strap, probably not very useful if you're gonna use it, which I probably won't ever use it anyway, but it's really thin, which is a real nice size. Not gigantic like some of the other EOS DSLRs. This is a mirrorless. Ooh, it feels really nice. I like the size, I like the feeling of this. This is actually pretty slick. Nice viewfinder. Interesting little plug on the shoe mount here. Haven't seen that before. Ooh, this is nice. Looks like a video record dedicated button. Physical on-off switch right next to your dials. This is a little small and probably going to be hard to deal with. Threaded mount for putting in a tripod. It says mic on here. Yep, that's all that's in there. Just the external mic port. Open this. See how that works. That's real nice. Of course, we can do that. That's one of the reasons I wanted this, so that I can turn it around while I am making a video. Here's a button here. It looks like it's for Wi-Fi, HDMI, and I'm not sure if that's a USB, micro USB. The battery door. And the battery will fit there and the SD card will fit there. Here is your battery charger. Flip out plug-in. Easy to carry and store. Looks like your LEDs for status. The solitary battery. Nice, compact, has a cap. And here we go with the lens. So this is an 15 to 45, 3.5 to 6.3. So not the fastest lens, but I don't think it's even needed to be fast. Where's the dot? It's a white dot. Beautiful. I think this is an electronic viewfinder. Well, of course it is, because it's mirrorless. It's a lock. So this must be just storage mode. And then it's locked ready. At the widest 15. And then up to 45. Forgot to put the microphone on. Let's do that. It won't be in the way of my screen, I hope. It is in the way. So I have to turn it first, then put it in. That's a little bit of a disappointment. So when I try to reverse the screen, the mic is in the way. Is there a way to do it? There we go. Okay, so it's possible. If you've made it this far in the video, congratulations, here is your bonus content. This is going to be the Canon EOS M50 onboard audio versus the Rode Videomic Go shotgun mic audio. And go. Nice day, but it's breezy.
Yep, I like it. That's why it looks so familiar.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the content, and please come back again soon.